So on this 2007 Mercedes S550, we're changing the blower motor. Here it's right under the glove compartment. We have to disconnect, take the 4 screws, take the part out. After we accomplish that, we gotta take the controller, unless you bought one. This has to be a second controller, but you could use the original. Even though used, they don't go bad from what I've seen, even if liquid got in there. So all you have to do is take it out. This is under the glove compartment, what it looks like, where the blower motor sits in. Disconnect that wire so you could take it out. After, you have to connect the remote and insert it on the new blower motor part. After that, you have to put it back, make sure it goes snug fit in there. Put all the 5 screws that I've taken out, which is kind of hard to take a video while you're under there or move. Very tight space, and sometimes you would have to go feet up on your back under the glove compartment just to take it out. And that's the part number. After you insert that, you could put it back, and after you put the screws, the last part is to insert the cabin air filter and put the mat back and vacuum the stuff. Yep, and put the light back.